Hindi siya nag-helicopter, ha? Hindi rin siya nag-elevator, ha? Mr. Joey De Leon. And then sabi nga niya, wak, 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 wak. May ulterior motive from Christopher Min. Parang mas gusto to sa Popeyes, ha?
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Oy mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya Nos American. This is for the Kuya-Kuy list. Alright, can you just take a look at my shirt? Oy mga kuya-kuy. So, I have a lifestyle store now, and it's going to be through Shopify. Pero some of these items, and probably a lot of these items, mailalagay natin mismo dyan sa ating channel. So it should come down there at makikita niyo yung mga shirts, lalo na sa mga taga-Amerika. You'd be able to get any of these shirts and any other items. So, I have 2 lifestyle stores in one website. Ito yung The Kuya-Kuy Life, hindi The Kuya-Kuy List, pero hango ito sa The Kuya-Kuy List. It's The Kuya-Kuy Life. It's all Filipino-themed, no? Na mga items na pwedeng gamitin ninyo, mga shirts na pwede nyong obviously ipamigay as gifts. And again, more than shirts, there will be a lot more na mga Filipino-themed items. It's going to be contemporary. Makikita nyo yan sa ating Shopify store. I'm just gonna hopefully be able to put that link. So again, 2-in-1 store ito, The Kuya-Kuy Life. In other words, chill, relax, very island life. Lalo na sa mga taga-Amerika, kung namimiss nyo ang Pilipinas, probably, and you want to show and brag about the Philippines and its culture and yung ating gawi Pilipinas, and then syempre pakita nyo rin sa mga friends ninyo yung mga items na ito na mga Filipino-Americans. And then there's also that another lifestyle store, which is The Kinder Life. Kinder, hindi kinder, ha? Kinder Life, meaning mas maayos, mas marespeto, mas mabait, mas kind. So, yun naman, very heartwarming ang ang store na yun. And then, so, sa mga ale, sa mga mama, sa mga suki, please take a look, no? Tignan nyo lang po. And then, of course, kung nagustuhan nyo, bumili po kayo and support yours truly, dahil syempre we want to show naman na may magagawa ang mga Pinoy in terms of branding. Just letting you know, this is not my first time to start a lifestyle store. Even back home in the Philippines, while I was there, I created a brand na umiikot-ikot sa mga let's just say sa mga office buildings. I'm not gonna say pa yung brand na yon, kasi ang bala ko is i-revive rin itong brand na to here in the United States. Hopefully, masuportahan nyo rin po ako dyan. So, pero yun ang ginagawa ko before, no? Aside sa doing photography, aside from doing in-flight magazines, and I would go around, hop around mga islands na to. And pero more than that, I created a lifestyle brand in the Philippines. So, ang ginagawa ko is umiikot-ikot ako sa mga buildings, sa mga call centers. Doon ako nakapwesto, and then, in other words, parang ako yung pop-up store. So, akala nga nila na parang imported yung style ko, yung branding ko. Pero, hindi. Local po yun. I had to stop it in the meantime dahil I had to come here to the United States. So, ngayon, parang nauumpisahan ko na yung mga gusto kong mangyari sa aking pagpunta rito sa Amerika. Alright, so hopefully magustuhan nyo to. And again, sa mga taga-Amerika, there will be more, you know. I love this. Oy, mga kuya-kuy. Di ba? Alright, now to the topic. Kamusta po mga madlang kapuso? Again, ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Koy List. So, usually ang ating mga pinag-uusapan natin dito is about ABS-CBN, about Vice Ganda, and it's Showtime. In other words, halos pare-pareho ang mga values namin, no? Ng ABS-CBN, ng It's Showtime, and even yung mga pananaw ni Vice. So, I am so happy that finally, again, another milestone, no? And I'm hoping this is going to be the home talaga ng It's Showtime. Parang nagulantang tayo some 8 months ago na kung saan nagsani puwersa ang GMA and ABS-CBN from TV5 to GTV or sister channel ng GMA. Pero ngayon, upgraded na sila. Doon na sila mismo sa main channel ng GMA. So, though hindi natin nakita yung helicopter ride ni Vice nung paglipat niya from ABS-CBN to GMA building, pero this time it's still really meaningful dahil nga number one, lumipat sa GMA and then birthday pa celebration ni Vice Ganda. Can I just say that opening number is just really good. A little understated, pero I think it was so well done and developed, actually. Ang theme is the pharaohs and ano ba ang tawag doon sa mga lady pharaohs na para bang panahon ng Egyptian civilization. Yung colors nila was white and gold, really na pinag-isipan. And the cast, 17 of them were very well featured sa opening number na ito. Na stand out sa akin, okay, number one, of course, andun si Anne. Pumasok siya na akala mo para siyang si Cleopatra. So, ang dating niya. So, that was that opening act nung number na ito. Kim Chu. Unbelievable. I could not believe it. Nung sabi ko, sino itong babaeng na to na nakahang? And man, I can only applaud. Kasi parang naging professional yung dating. I would not have imagined Kim Chu doing that. Aerial acrobat. Napanganga ako. Nagulat ako doon. And then, Karil, the moves were snappy. The rap was on point. Parang talagang kala mo pang-America yung feels, yung dating niya ni Miss Karil dito. The girls were phenomenal. A little more snappy lang kay Miss Ami Perez. Parang tentative siya sa kanyang mga movements doon. And then, yung Let Me Entertain You na ginawa naman ng mga boys, the best were yung mga guys. Ang galing nila. Umpisa pa lang, no, with Jugs and Teddy, Let Me Entertain You. Ang galing ng song choice na ginamit nila. Kita mo talaga yung partnership nung dalawa na ito. Of course, nakita naman natin si MC and Lassie. Una, hindi ko makilala si Lassie. Hindi pumasok right away. Si Lassie ba ito? Dahil nga, nakatakip yung mukha niya. Pero of course, it was Lassie. Dahil kasama niya si MC. Pwede ba yun na magpapahuli si Lassie? Magaling talaga mag-isip itong si Vice. Napilit niya si Lassie na mag-costume ng mommy. And then, ang galing-galing na rin na sumayaw. Lalo na ni Ryan. Magaling yung movements niya. Now, partnered with Ion. So, kumbaga, in tandem sila. Vong and Jong. Again, phenomenal. Both of them, sa kanilang mga solo na pagsasayaw, they were really good. But I think phenomenal. Nakakuha ng partner in terms of vocals itong si Ogie Alcacid nang pinasok na si Darren. So match sila. And then nakita mo yung contrast. Mas maedad si Ogie Alcacid, although halos kasing edad ko na siya. I tell you, totoo lang, I don't know kung magka-batchmate kami sa UP. Si Darren Espanto, there, ang galing-galing niya sa Let Me Entertain You. He really knows how to move, no, with that drama thing. And really dramatic yung pagkakanta niya. And the way he exuded, beautifully done ang ang production number. Pero, the best talaga is si Vice. Of course, siyang star ng It's Showtime. Siyang star ng ABS-CBN. Birthday girl, di ba? So, but then, kita mo na nandun siya sa disyerto, naghihirap, and then makita mo na lang siya, nandun siya sa tuktok ng logo ng GMA Network na may kapuso o puso na sa GMA na mga letra na yon. That will be iconic na nandoon siya. Hindi siya nag-helicopter, ha? Hindi rin siya nag-elevator, ha? Mr. Joey De Leon. Pero of course, that was, I think obviously, that was manipulated by the computers. Again, galing pag-iisip, dramatic yung dating na nandoon siya in terms of branding. Ang laki ang nabigay ng branding space. You can say, kung sino man nag-isip na ito, and I'm sure si Attorney Gozon, yung matandang Gozon, would be so happy to see yung GMA na logo nila na featured with Vice Ganda there on top. Her apparel, yung clothes niya na lumilipad-lipad, being swayed by the wind. So in terms of branding exposure, ang laki ng binigay ng It's Showtime para sa kanila. Bravo, bravo kung sino man ang nag-iisip. That monologue pa pala. Oh my gosh. Okay? Kwento niya in so many minutes. Probably 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes tops. Yung kanyang pag-akyat, yung pag-rise ni Vice Ganda mula sa isang comedy bar na sabi niya mukhang yung isang bakla na sa isang barangay sa Manila na makulay, sabi niya. I love that word, makulay, na nahirapan siya and then had to go through so many challenges and then at the end, naging unkabogable, phenomenal star si Vice Ganda. Kwento niya yung mga gutom na nangyayari sa kanya. Gutom. And then, she says, maggalit kayo sa kagutuman. Yun ang sabi niya sa mga tao. Maggalit kayo sa kagutuman, just like what she had experienced na nagalit siya sa kagutuman. And then, of course, may mga pasaring, may parinig para sa kanyang best friend na si Christopher Min na lagi siyang nilalait, no-okray, even sa kanyang kasikatan, ganun pa rin. She is being put down for the sake. Nandun na sa taas and yet hinihila-hila siya ni Christopher Min. And then sabi nga niya, wak, 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 wak. Pero ang nangyayari sa kanya ay win, 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 win. She has risen and she is the champion. Mga iba, sabi nga niya, inaakyat siya, pero at the same time, binabagsak siya. Which has been happening to her ever since. Just for the sake. May mga nagtataon, mag-react tayo kay Christopher Min. Naintindihan natin yan. Part ng kanyang trabaho, to make reactions. Pero para bang sometimes, naiisip nga ni Vice, what the heck? Kahit wala namang siyang ginagawa sa kanila, at wala namang parang talagang pinipersonal siya, pinababagsak siya. May ulterior motive from Christopher Min. For what? Dahil hindi siya, napapansin ni Vice? I don't get it. Sabi nga ni Vice, ganun talaga. Kahit pabagsakin siya, ang lumalabas, she has been winning. She has triumphed. And this is what's going on with this show for 15 years now. Ang daming pangyayari, ang daming alon, ang daming mga challenges. Kung mahina-hina ka lang, talagang babagsak yung show na ito. Pero hindi na mayagpag. They know Filipinos, and I'm saying generally Filipinos, want to watch It's Showtime. And we'll have to say, it was through the leadership ni Vice kung kaya nakakaabot sila kung saan-saan, including now with GMA Network, sa main channel ng GMA. Alright, again po, ito si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Kuy List. It's brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel. Hit on that notification bell. Again, we're still having that $1.99 na ating mga exclusive extra videos, just $1.99 per month. And again po, ito si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Kuy List.